Alright, so what do we got today? Turn off the old radio here. God, it smells like ass and Cheetos in here. I don't hear it. Let's take it for a drive and see if we hear it. I haven't heard it yet. Oil change required. We can remedy that situation. There it is. Alright. Do a little flipperoo. Gotta love how sporty those little ecoboost are. Hate all the other problems that come with them. Let's go, fellow transit. See if she does it again. Yeah, it goes away the more and more it warms up, so that really tells me what I think it is. Alright, so just as I thought, let me see if I can get you guys down in here. You guys see it? Right back there on the exhaust manifold. Broken stud. And that's where that sound is coming from. Just the one. This thing has got a lot of other problems. Front cover's leaking, the rear main seal's leaking, both turbo pipes are leaking, and it's going to need exhaust manifolds on both sides. So I need to really pull the engine to do this one. I mean, I don't have to. You could do everything in it, but honestly, it's more work to do everything in it as opposed to pulling the engine out and just doing it all out here. Just called the boss man. This thing's at 90,000, and he's thinking about just selling it instead of fixing it. So if boss man decides to yank it, you'll get to see that. But otherwise, now you can hear the sound and see the root cause of it.